Hi, I'm Steve Gersten. I'm a car accident lawyer and the owner of Michigan Auto Law. Today I want to talk with you about something I get asked a lot about. When should you hire an attorney after a car accident in Michigan? Do you have to get an attorney after a car accident? There's no law in Michigan that says you have to hire a lawyer after a crash. Some people do try to handle things on their own. But in certain situations, having an experienced attorney on your side can make a huge difference. And honestly, in many cases, it can be the difference between getting what you're entitled to or getting taken advantage of. So when should you hire a lawyer? Here are my simple rules of thumb. You should strongly consider getting a lawyer if you have questions about your legal rights or what steps to take, you or someone you love has been injured or worse, killed, your insurance company isn't treating you fairly or honestly, you're not getting the medical care you need. How can a lawyer actually help you? Here's what we do and why it matters. We'll help you understand your legal rights and protect them. We'll deal with insurance adjusters who often don't tell you the full story about your benefits. We'll fight to make sure you get the medical care you need and deserve. We'll take on insurance companies when they try to delay payments, deny your claim, or send you to go-to insurance company doctors who say there's nothing wrong with you. If your claim gets denied or your no-fault benefits are cut off, we'll take the fight to court and we'll stop adjusters from pressuring you into taking lowball settlement offers that don't come close to covering your damages. We'll also protect you from signing things like waivers or releases that could cost you your right to full compensation, and we'll make sure you don't miss important deadlines like the statute of limitations or notice requirements. When should you reach out to a lawyer? The short answer is as soon as possible after a crash, and here's why. Medical bills add up fast. We'll help you make sure No-Fault pays them, and if you're unable to work, we'll push to get your lost wages covered right away. You only have a short window to file no-fault benefits. We'll make sure you don't miss it. If you were hit by an uninsured or hit-and-run driver, your insurance may require you to file a police report within 24 hours and notify them within 30 days. We'll help you meet those deadlines. And if a bus or government vehicle was involved, there are special notice requirements that you need to file to preserve your right to sue, and we'll take care of that for you too. And finally, you can't always count on your insurance adjuster to give you the full picture. The Michigan Supreme Court has made it clear that they're not legally required to tell you everything. That's our job. At Michigan Auto Law, we're the largest law firm in the state that focuses exclusively on helping people injured in car, truck, and motorcycle accidents. We have offices in Farmington Hills, Grand Rapids, Detroit, Ann Arbor, Sterling Heights, Flint, and Traverse City. So no matter where you live, we're here to help. Wherever you need us, we'll be there.